Hello fellow home gardeners, I just want to show you an update as to what happened to the structure that I have shown you from my last video last year. So I want to apologize for not being able to update you on a timely manner about how this structure has worked for me, but I'll show you some picture after this. Because with my gardening space I can only do vertical gardening. That's the only space that's gonna work for my garden, because I wanted to try a lot of things, but I want to show you that up to date it's still alive. Right now it is still right here. So as you can see, there's a lot that has changed since then, and I'm happy to say that for the most part the structure has worked. Thank you for watching. More videos are coming up soon. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.